The Lena Pillars in the Republic of Saha, Yakutia are a renowned natural wonder, revered for their exceptional beauty. Recognized as a Unesco World Heritage Site, they are located 180 kilometers from the Republic's capital and can be accessed in winter by crossing the frozen river or in summer by water transport. The locals hold the pillars in high esteem, considering them a sacred site where they can recharge their energies. The pillars are magnificent natural formations that stretch for kilometers along the Lena River's shore, rising to heights of up to 220 meters. To fully appreciate their impressive scale and beauty, the grandeur of the Lena Pillars is best observed from a bird's eye view, so take the time to enjoy this awe-inspiring sight.